Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the door handle in a Hotpoint refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For the job, we're going to need a flat blade screwdriver and a Torx 20 screwdriver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new door handle. Both door handles on this refrigerator are identical. They allow for easier opening of the freezer or fresh food doors. The door handle should be replaced if it's broken or missing. Start with inserting the flat blade screwdriver into the seam between the handle and the end cap and prying it up. Keep going until the screw is exposed. Repeat the procedure at the top end cap. Using the Torx 20 screwdriver, remove the screw at the top and at the bottom. Now we can pull the handle off the door and remove the end caps. This is the old door handle next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Now we can install the new handle. Match the posts with a hole in there. At the top as at the bottom, and then we're going to secure it with the screw at the top first. Alright, we're going to use a Torx 20 screwdriver to tighten the screw. Same at the bottom. Install and tighten the screw. Slide the end cap on the end of the handle and push it to lock. Then repeat it at the bottom. Slide one side of the end cap under the handle and press it to lock. And plug the refrigerator in. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other repair videos available on our site, on Facebook, and on YouTube.